In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the mailbox full problem in Outlook. If you've ever encountered this issue, you know how disruptive it can be, making it impossible to send or receive new emails. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of freeing up space in your Outlook account. First, let's start by going to the Microsoft Outlook page. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and type in the Outlook URL to get there. Once you're on the page, you'll need to click on the Sign In button to access your account. Next, you'll arrive at the Sign In page where you'll need to enter your login details. This typically includes your email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. Take a moment to ensure everything is entered correctly, then go ahead and click Next. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to your Outlook dashboard. Here, it's time to do a bit of housekeeping to free up some much-needed space. Start by checking the areas of your mailbox that often accumulate unintended clutter. These areas include junk emails, drafts, sent items, deleted items, and anything archived. Systematically go through each section and clear out anything that no longer has a use. Deleting unnecessary emails can significantly free up space and help your Outlook function more smoothly. Once you've tidied up your mailbox, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a profile icon. Click on this icon to proceed to the next step. After clicking the profile icon, you'll be taken to your Microsoft account page. It's here that you can manage different aspects of your Microsoft services, including your subscriptions, which could also impact your available space. Within the account settings, find and navigate to the subscriptions section. When you've clicked on this, scroll or hover down until you locate the option to use OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service, and it's well integrated with Outlook. Oftentimes, a cluttered OneDrive could be part of the issue with your mailbox being full. Once you are in your OneDrive space, it's time to declutter. Take a good look at the files stored here. If you find files that are no longer necessary, go ahead and delete them to free up additional space, not just in OneDrive, but potentially in your Outlook as well. By carefully following these instructions, you should have ample space in your mailbox, resolving the issue of a full mailbox. I hope you found this tutorial useful and are now able to manage your Outlook space more effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.